a comprehensive guide on making money from short videos on YouTube. Making money on YouTube through short videos is a great way to monetize your content and reach a wider audience. Here are the steps you need to follow to make money on YouTube with short videos. Create a YouTube channel. The first step is to create a YouTube channel if you haven't already. Sign up for a YouTube account and create a channel. Choose a unique and catchy name that represents your content. Now create short videos. Create short, engaging videos that are between 15 to 60 seconds in length. These can be anything from funny clips, educational content, product reviews, or behind-the-scenes footage. Optimize your videos. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to optimize them for search engines. Make sure your videos have a strong thumbnail and engaging title to attract viewers. When adding tags, add tags that accurately reflect the content of your videos. Build your audience. Promote your channel on social media and other platforms to build your audience. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on your latest content. Enable monetization. To start earning money from your videos, you need to enable monetization on your channel. You can do this by joining the YouTube Partner Program and setting up an AdSense account. Advertise on your videos. Once you have enabled monetization, you can start earning money by displaying ads on your videos. YouTube will display ads on your videos and pay you a share of the revenue. Collaborate with brands. You can also collaborate with brands to create sponsored content. This involves promoting a brand or product in your videos and earning money in return. Sell merchandise. You can also sell merchandise related to your channel, such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, to earn additional income. In summary, to make money on YouTube with short videos, you need to create engaging content, optimize it for search engines, build your audience, enable monetization, collaborate with brands, and sell merchandise. With dedication and effort, you can turn your passion for creating short videos into a lucrative income stream. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Remember to hit the notification bell to be alerted when I upload new videos. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on other social media platforms for more content. Thanks for watching.